Green? Let's do a green one.
Pretty.
Blue.
Yeah. There's blue. Whoa. Yeah. Getting better than this. This is fun. Okay, there's one done. You're gonna put it
good.
over here. You're gonna put it over here.
Good colors, Malcolm. That's yellow. Can you put it in the little?
Shower.
You're gonna put it over here. Let's
Shower.
drain it out. Gonna put it in here. What are you gonna do with it? Oh. Oops. Oh. Okay.
Shower.
What?
Shower.
Okay.
Can you put it in the hair?
Yeah?
Oh.
No, not. That isn't what I had in mind either. All right. Okay, let's pour the stuff out.
Put it up.
Okay, here's your egg. You're gonna put it in here? What are you gonna do with it? Huh? Why? Why would you want to do that?
Okay, that one's dead.
Okay, that one's done.
Now we're all done
Now
with the
look at
blue.
Green one. Let's take that green one out. You want to take that out and put it in here?
Green.
Yeah, green. It is. It's pretty.
Okay.
Yep.
Green.
Green. Yeah. We'll take it out.
Gentle, very gentle.
Very good.
Take out. Yep,
Yep.
take it out
Put it
gentle.
over here.
Put it next to the pink one, please.
It'll be safe. Put it over. It'll be safe. Yeah.
Easter egg. That's right.
Green.
Green.
That's right.
Honey, we have to be gentle with the Easter egg. Gentle, no throwing. No throwing. Uh-oh.
Yeah, that's a green one. It goes back in there. What happened to that one? To break? Put it in here.
Can you say Easter egg again? You say Easter egg?
Yeah.
Paint? Yeah, we painted the eggs. Was that fun?
Oh.
None left.
Easter egg.
Oh, you could save that one for Mommy.
Yeah, put it in the
Oh,
hole. That's a good idea.
It just sets in
Save it
there,
for-
though. You don't have to break it and put it in the hole.
Why?
Oh, great. I don't understand why, but I'm sure there's a reason.
Maybe he wants to fit the whole thing
Fit it in the hole, yeah.
I think we're all done. Good job.
Was that fun?
Can you clap your hands? Good Easter eggs.
Oh, was that